simple way to test any starter that doesn't require expensive equipment. I can't wait to see if I can find a decent working starter here, considering they were created in 2001. Who knows what might happen if we run 12 volts through each of these 25-watt starter motors. This is the simplest and the cheapest test ever. The first step is to connect a short jumper wire between the battery cable terminal and the starter control terminal. The black cable attached to the starter body and the red cable, which is the positive, also acting as a switch. We will check to see if the solenoid is working properly. Yes, the Bendix moves, indicating that there are no problems with the solenoid. Coming up next, this wooden block will resemble the flywheel on the outside of a car engine. With this wood block, we will see if the starter has enough power to turn the flywheel. As you can see, as I place the wood block, the Bendix stopped rotating, indicating that this starter will not turn the flywheel, causing the car to not start. The component causing this failure is the armature shaft, which can be replaced. If you subscribe to this channel, you won't miss our next video on how to change this armature shaft. If you subscribed already, congratulations, you are on the right path. This starter failed to remove even a little portion of the wood block. With only one starter left, we need to shift this jumper. Don't get too comfy, because the starter we're about to test appears to be a modification, so anything is possible. Is it going to pass both tests, or is it going to explode? Let's find out. Everything is going well so far. The solenoid is okay. Despite everything, this starter works really well. It might turn this piece of wood into pulp. Here are the results of the first starter against the wood block versus the results of the second starter. If your starter is able to do this to a wood block, just know that you have a great starter. See you on the next video.